Push. Ah, no, you gotta land on your feet. Okay, this is what I want you to think. This is lava.
Okay.
But you have lava-proof shoes on.
What?
And you have lava-proof gloves. So your hands can touch it, your feet can touch it. But if your knees touch it, your knees burn off.
What?
Uh-oh. I want you to walk out of here, girl. You need your knees. She said, Mama, my knees. You got it. Push, push. Oh! Question. Start here. What comes after 2?
Jump.
3. We're gonna do, you ready to do 3? Oh, scoot up a little bit. Oh, I see the stride. Okay, I see you. Let's go 3. 1, 2. Hey, I can take it. Yes, ma'am. Beautiful. And you still have your knees.